In this video, I will show you how to reset your YouTube feed in 2026. Make sure to follow along and watch this full video to learn how to clear or manage your watch history, update your recommendations, and help YouTube show videos that better match what you actually want to watch. If this video helps, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple YouTube and tech tutorials. Now, to do this, you first want to make sure you're logged into the correct YouTube account. So if you come up to the top right hand corner, just make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you've done that, you want to come over to the left hand side, scroll down a bit to the U section and click onto history. Now from here, what you want to do is come over to the right, click here where it says to clear or watch history, and you're going to get an option like this. So just click onto clear watch history. Once that's done, if in future you want to stop YouTube recommending new videos, you can also pause your watch history from here as well. Now once you've done that, if you come back to YouTube, as you can see, it's going to completely clear your feed and reset your feed, as YouTube works based on your previous watch history. So by deleting that, YouTube now has nothing to recommend to you based on your watch history. But say for example you was interested in cooking, then if you actually start looking for cooking videos, you need to actually play them as well. But once you've done that and you've started watching videos, YouTube's going to start to, of course, reset your feed and start recommending you videos now based on your new watch history. So in this case, you can see I'm now starting to get recommended cooking videos, and of course that's going to reset your YouTube feed. So that is how to reset YouTube feed in 2026. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.